When you click into the report, this is the actual name, meetings rolling 45 days for the logged in user. So obviously I don't have any meetings, so I'm in somebody else's report, but I just wanted to go through and show you what this looks like. You have, for the last 45 days, this person had 102 meetings that are on in the system. You can see the title of the meetings here, the meeting type. So if we look down, we can see that this ARP1 consultation, can look over and see that the disposition was completed, but we don't have a meeting type or whether this was a client or a strategic partner. So let me show you really quickly how to make that adjustment. If you click on the meeting title, it will open up in a new window. From here, I can come down and I can look at the disposition. It's completed. I can say that this was a client meeting, hit the checkbox. It brings up a pop-up window that asks me what the type was. This was an ARP consultation 1. That would be a meeting 1, and I would save it from there. And now this meeting is completed. So if I go back to the report, and if I were to refresh this, you would see that this one would have the appropriate meeting type and disposition. So a couple other things I'm going to bring to your attention. Here's another one where it's an ARP initial discovery call. It was canceled, so that's fine. We do need to have a meeting type, and a client or SP would be nice to have in there, but not completely necessary, but it still does need to be, we still need to know what happened. As I'm scanning through this really quickly, I don't see any other issues that are coming out right away. However, I do want to point out that we have seen a lot of deals and meetings where we have, for example, ARP meeting number 2, but under the client meeting type, it might say meeting 1 or initial discovery call. So the titles don't match the meeting types. When I run reports, I run them based on meeting types and deliver them to Patrick. So these are things that are important to me. So I just want you to be mindful of that and have a chance to look at it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.